Ooh. When did you last change oil?
I've never changed oil.
You never changed it. How long you had it?
I don't know, 5, 6 years, do you reckon?
I think we might have found out the cause of the engine problems.
Do you think I'm a good car owner?
No comment. Hello. So here we are again. This is a new third video, third car. We might be biting off more than we can chew here. This MX5 here, which is seen some slightly better days. I've known this car for quite a few years actually. I do like it. A mate of mine bought it on my recommendation. That's a proper good driver's car. However, it's been through the wars a bit. It's apparently it ran over a fox, unintentionally of course, and caused some damage. But the fox all right? It's Dale, by the way. My friend's giving me
there. No, the fox didn't do very well, I'm afraid.
Oh dear. Okay. All right, less said about that the better. It's got a few, bits of bodywork that could do with sorting out. I think actually it needs a wrap. I think we'll give it a full wrap if we're going to do something with this. But we're thinking about doing a long-term project on it. But the reason Dale doesn't want this car anymore is it's got an engine problem, and we don't know how bad that is yet. It may need a new engine. If it does, it's about £1,000 for an engine. But Dale has kindly said he will donate this to our channel. And if we fix it up and we manage to sell it, then we can try and trade up to something else. And I've got a dream to one day we get a really nice Porsche. Anyway, this is the beginning of that journey. So I think what we ought to do is probably assess this engine thing. So I think we're going to start it up.
There we go.
Okay, so let's have a look at what we got under here. Well, looks pretty clean under here actually. Not too bad. Some new battery fairly recent amounts of it. Yeah, not too bad. A bit of oil crud on top, but a bit of perished hose and stuff. Oh, that's not. It's just okay. Well, that's nothing, is it? Oh, you just keep the battery charged, won't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's start it up.
Crank it up.
Yeah, crank it up. Let's have a look, see if we get any.
Let's hope there's
See
no.
if we get see if we get any smoke out the back here. Not seeing any smoke.
Quite nice actually.
And all right, it made that little knot. I noticed.
Well,
And as it is there, sounds all right. However, give it a little rev. I think we get a slightly concerning noise. Yeah, enough. That's enough. I think there's a sort of knock at the top end. I say, don't see any smoke. Or do we? Maybe a little bit. Yeah, maybe all right. Not blue. Okay. Well, not too bad. Well, there's plenty in it. I think it look over full to me.
yeah. So I think when.
Okay. When did you last change oil?
I've never changed oil.
You never changed it. How long you had it?
I don't know, 5, 6 years, do you reckon?
I think we might have found out the cause of the engine problems.
Do you think I'm a good car owner?
No comment. Let's just have a look in here. If we've got any worrying signs. Well, apart from it being really dirty old oil, we don't look like to have got any head gasket issue. We've got some. God, that looks dirty as well. I think we need
Just
a service.
generally dirty.
I think we need a service. So yeah, there you go. Okay. Oh yeah. Something don't feel right. Waiting point very low on clutch. That's a little adjustment. I don't think we've got bigger problems than that. Right.
I don't want to tempt fate, but so far so good. First time I've driven behind my own car. What a beauty. From where I'm sat, looks like nothing's wrong at all. We'll see what Dylan says when we get it back to his house.
So she made it. It looks quite nice there actually, like that. She needs a proper wash. Yes, this thing with the brakes, I think it was probably just that. These discs are knackered, look. And I think we were probably just dragging off some surface rust.
It's been stood a long time, you know.
But I think those...
A couple of months or more, hasn't it? 3 months, 4 months even.
Let's see that pad. There's not much on the pad. So...
yeah, I think it was December time.
Probably just a new set of discs and pads. That's probably all that. Oh yeah, look at the state of that. Oh yeah.
It's not been cleaned for a while, you know.
I'm gonna plug it in. I can tell. No, that's not a surprise. Go. She's a little bit cleaner. We found some dodgy paintwork here that just lifted off with a pressure washer. Not that we're too worried. It's got bad paintwork in other places. It does look like we're going to need an entire new front bumper, and we're going to wrap it anyway, so I'm not worried about paintwork. Proper wheel cleaning at some point. Wheels look quite decent. There's condensation after our clean, so I think the roof leaks a little. I think we've probably got a seal on the roof somewhere. It's just letting some water in. But it's a nice looking car. It's a nice looking car. Action.
Off we go, matey.
Ooh.
146,000 miles, yeah. Oh, we're off, we're away. Yeah. Well, that's one thing that works.
So,